Yes, good evening all of you. Let us try to solve this question. Find the pole strength of a bar magnet of magnetic length 18 meter, geometric length 18 meter and a magnetic moment of 6 ampere meter square. Okay, so let us see, there is a magnet whose pole strength is to be found out, and its geometric length here is going to be 18 centimeter. Okay, so that means suppose this is a magnet, and suppose this is the south pole and this is the north pole. Okay, the geometric length of the magnet here is given to be 18 centimeter 18 मीटर here. ओके, ये 18 मीटर जो है वो उसका ज्योमेट्रिक लेंथ दिया हुआ है. हमको ऑलरेडी पता है कि magnetic length is actually different from the geometric length, and already we have just seen that the magnetic length of a magnet is actually equal to 5 by 6 times of the geometric length, right? So if we just use it here, then we can be able to get the magnetic length of the magnet to be simply equal to 5 by 6 times of the geometric length, where geometric length is already given to be 18 meter, right? So this 18 meter, if we just simplify this further, then we can just cancel this 6 and 18, leaving behind 3, and 5 into 3 becomes 15 meter. So 15 meter is actually the magnetic length. Okay, it's meter. So there, and magnetic length is always denoted by 2L in this case here. So once we get the magnetic length, we can just try to find out the magnetic pole strength, because magnetic moment is already given. Okay, 6 ampere meter square, and already we have the formula for magnetic moment of a magnet. So magnetic moment of a magnet is denoted by capital M, which is actually given by the formula the pole strength multiplied by the magnetic length, that is 2L here. So if we just use this here, then magnetic moment is already given to be 6 ampere meter square, and magnetic moment which is to be found out, and magnetic length is actually 15 meter, which is already given. So in that case we can just get this magnetic pole strength of the pole to be simply equal to 6 upon 15, and that is actually going to be in ampere meter. So finally we can just get the pole strength of this magnet to be simply equal to, if we just reduce this by 3, then we can just be able to obtain this as 2 by 5. Okay, 2 by 5 ampere meter, which can also expressed in decimals as 0.4 ampere meter. Okay, so this is actually the final answer which is going to be there. Okay, thank you all of you.